What is Docker? Docker is a tool that lets you package an application and all its dependencies into something called a container. Think of a container like a shipping box. No matter where you send it, it will run exactly the same. 2. Why use Docker? Works anywhere. Runs the same on your laptop, server or cloud. No, it works on my machine problems. Fast setup. You can start an app in seconds. Lightweight. Uses fewer resources than full virtual machines. 3. Key Docker terms. Image. A blueprint of your app, like a cake recipe. Container. A running instance of that image, the cake. Docker file. A script to build your image. Docker Hub. A public store for Docker images. So, how it works? Step-by-step flow. Write code for your app. Create a Docker file describing how to build it. Build an image with Docker build. Run a container with Docker run. Example: Hello World container. Visualizing Docker. Imagine without Docker. You need to install libraries. Versions might clash. Works on one PC but not another. With Docker, you ship the entire environment with the app, so it's guaranteed to work everywhere. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel for more tech videos.